Why does a balloon shrink when you squeeze it and expand when you heat it? For centuries, scientists were curious about how gases behave. Through many experiments, they discovered patterns, simple relationships between pressure, volume, temperature, and the amount of gas. When these discoveries were combined, they led to one powerful equation, PV equals nRT. This equation is called the ideal gas law. It connects four properties of gases: pressure, volume, temperature, and the amount of gas. But this equation wasn't discovered all at once. It was built step by step from three important experimental laws. In the 17th century, scientist Robert Boyle studied how pressure and volume are related. He found that when the temperature stays constant, increasing the pressure of a gas decreases its volume. In other words, pressure is inversely proportional to volume. Later, Jacques-Charles studied what happens when temperature changes. He discovered that if pressure stays constant, the volume of a gas increases as temperature increases. This happens because hotter gas molecules move faster and push the container walls outward. In other words, volume is directly proportional to temperature. Then scientist Amedeo Avogadro made another important discovery. He found that the volume of a gas also depends on the number of molecules present. Volume is directly proportional to number of moles of gas, means more gas particles need more space. When scientists combined these three relationships, they realized that volume depends on temperature, the amount of gas, and pressure. On comparing all these we get this, where volume is directly proportional to the product of amount of gas and then temperature and inversely proportional to the pressure. To turn this proportional relationship into an equation, scientists introduced a constant called the universal gas constant, represented by R. Now the equation become V equals to nRT by P. Now multiply both sides by P. P cancels each other and equation becomes PV equals to nRT. Now this equation called ideal gas equation. This is how scientists derived ideal gas law. This single equation helps scientists understand balloons, car engines, engineering, weather systems. So next time you see a balloon expand or shrink, remember, it all follows the simple but powerful equation, PV equals nRT. Please like and subscribe for more video like automobile, thermodynamics, strength of material, fluid mechanics, physics and chemistry.